Hey, welcome back to MVP Hot Wheels. This is Diesel Mac, and I figured I'd do a little recap of what happened on the live video if you wanted to check that out. I did make it available to the public last night. So we spent 2.5 hours talking about different cars and just a lot of different stuff about Hot Wheels and whatnot, memorabilia, how it interacts, how it will interact with the website and all that. And we also ripped all of these cars down below. I think there's 11 of them down here. So a lot of awesome, tough variations like this tan interior 308, your white 65 Mustang GT, or sorry, Mustang convertible, your Zamac or 98 convention F40, Leo Firebird. I mean, just lots of tons of really hard to find stuff that we open on that live video and having fun. And so I still got to get pictures of this. I did go into the website and change the mini truck. There was some information that was kind of backwards, and so I've fixed that. So thanks for pointing that out to me. That's all taken care of. And I did go ahead and think about how I was going to, and implemented how I'm going to associate the loose cars with the package cars, especially the loose ones, or the single pack cars. And so I've got that kind of figured out. So you'll have an MVP number, and then dash S1 just means that was the first package, single pack that car that I've found it in. And then from there be S2, S3 if there's multiple variations. So like the Peterbilt dump truck I have in there, that's a good example where there's two different package variations for the exact same casting inside there. So I've gone through and changed all those. I got to add pictures for a couple more of the Euro Series cars in package, so I'll get that done today as well. I'll get all of these pictures taken of the loose ones up on the website. So that's kind of what I'll be working on for probably the rest of the day, is getting all that kind of situated. As far as like play sets and multi-packs, the multi-packs will be based off of kind of the year on the multi-pack that it came out, and then variations within that. So you'll see that on there. And then if you in the description, even the short description that you see with the picture of the 5-pack, you can click on the car name, and that's a link right to that exact variation that's it within that pack. So that's how we'll keep those kind of together. I'm going to try to work with the developers to find a way to that if you type in, say, Ferrari F40, then even the packages that have the Ferrari F40 within it will also show up if you have the category not selected to just loose. So that way everything that you're looking for Ferrari F40 wise, regardless of size, right, scale, just in case there's different scale. I'm pretty sure there's 118 scale or 124 scale F40s out there. So regardless of the scale and the package that it's in, like all of that will come up if you just do a keyword search on the car name for Ferrari F40. So we got to do a couple things, I think, on the back end to get that to function correctly. But that's kind of the goal I kind of wanted. That way, if you're looking for, a Mazda Miata, right, and you don't know that it's in these other packages, right, without searching for those package names, right, we want you to be able to find it. And so if you put it into the car name slot, it should in the future will pop up as with that car in a multi-pack or even a play set and stuff like that. So I think that'll be a cool feature. I don't think you'll see that on any of the other hobby websites and whatnot. So I'll send them an email today about how we can figure out getting that implemented, and I'll get these pictures in for all the cars you see in front of me, or you or us, however that works on the YouTube channel. Yeah, we'll keep rocking. And then I think the next thing I really need to figure out is how to get all of the steering rigs on there in a way that you guys like it, that just makes sense. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and start off with all the ones on the US side, because they usually, almost always I say, have their regular truck and trailer combo. There's a couple trailer combo variations, but that will be part of with the same truck that it kind of comes with. And so I'll probably put them in that way. They're also the steering rig cabs that came in the single pack. That is another one I'll probably just put in, loose, or, individually, and I won't have to worry about that one. That one's kind of easier, I guess. But when it gets to the French steering rigs, sometimes they'll have mix and match trucks and trailers, and I don't know every available possible combination that could be out there. And so I'll stick with kind of what I found together, and then pull off, the trailers by themselves right now, and because I kind of have some of that on there. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll just make them not available for view until I get it kind of completely dialed in. But I think I'm going to work on that and take some pictures of some steering rigs to get those on there, so that those examples are available for you guys to use, to check off your collection list if you've subscribed. So yeah, so a lot to do. Always plenty of stuff to add to the website, like getting all these pictures in. And then moving forward, I think I'm going to start working on the 1998 first editions. So I'll start going through there. I have the Ford Escort Rally in there already, but I'll continue moving on with the rest of the cars. There's just a ton of them. It's kind of a daunting task in itself. We'll get those in there, and I won't forget to get the service merchandise, as that was a request for a video, and I'll get those on the website so that you can, check those off in your checklist if you've subscribed. So subscribe here. We're at 462 subscribers. I woke up this morning and saw that. So thank you for the new subscriber. Thanks for watching the video. Huge thanks to everybody last night, of course. That was a lot of fun, just kind of talking cars and whatnot, and ripping cars, and everything we talked about was fun, and keeps me motivated to continue putting more stuff on the website and try to make it as best as it possibly can for everybody. And yeah, so just a huge thanks for all that. If you haven't liked the video yet, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to take this channel and the website into new territory where a lot of hobbyist websites aren't there yet. I'd say probably the closest one would probably be like a baseball trading card, where they've kind of got everything dialed in, where they could take pictures and stuff. I want to get to that point with this community. This is my major passion, so I really want to get provide the best product for you guys, and the site to go to that has all the information, all the cars, all the memorabilia that I can think of, right? Even socks. Somebody was kind of funny requesting putting different the different Hot Wheels socks that are out there. Yep, they made those as well. So we'll figure some of that stuff out as we go along, and I'll keep plugging away with getting cars in there. I know that's the biggest thing for me right now. Once all that stuff is in, then all this memorabilia, the license plate stuff, and all of the little plastic pieces that come with different things, like the California Customs, like all that kind of stuff will fall into place. All of the micro machines, or micros, or atomics cars, those all go in at some point. All the 118, 143 scale, all that stuff will be put in. And so this will be a one-stop shop for Hot Wheels information, for stuff that's put out. And then once we catch up to the newer stuff, I'll pay more attention to kind of what's coming out from Mattel and the RLC Club and all that, and we'll have all that in there as well. And then we'll figure out some more ideas to make the website better. So stay with us. Stay with me. I'm the one making the videos and putting all this in, kind of a one-man job. But I'm sorry that it's so slow. I've only got so many hours of the day to put this stuff in, but I'll keep plugging away. We'll get it up to date, and I think it'll be an awesome place for all the collectors that want to come in and start dial in their collection, but also cataloging and that kind of stuff. So if you have comments about anything, put those down below. Let me know what you think about the website, about the videos, what you want to see, things that I can make changes with, like all that stuff. Just throw them in the comments. I'll do what I can to answer your questions, update the website if there's mistakes on that. Like I fixed the mini truck one this morning. Like, let me know. I know I make mistakes. I'm trying to get hundreds of cars in there. I almost said hundreds of thousands. That's a little absurd, but tens of thousands of definitely, right? I think we passed, we definitely did pass 5,800 different items on there. So with all the loose cars, the single pack cars, the multi-pack cars, and the playset stuff, it's completely all above 5,800 items or records in there, and we'll keep adding more every day, of course. And yeah, so like I said, put that stuff down below. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We'll give away that Leo Ford Escort in the background that you see in most of these videos, and we'll work our way to that, and then we'll find something even better to give away at 500 or 1,000 subscribers. If I get to 50 subscribers on the website, that will open up the monthly giveaway, and $1 of your subscription fee goes towards the prize, the value of the prize for it. So if I got 50 subscribers, it'll be a $50 car. We'll open it up at that point, and we'll give away a car every month as long as there's 50 subscribers. So once we kind of reach that point, that will come up into play, and then that just kind of feeds into the giveaway part of it. So it's pretty cut and dry on that. So if we can get, I think we have 2 subscribers on the website, so if we can get 48 more on there, like I said, we'll open up that giveaway, and we'll give away stuff that way. And that one, will be self-funded. It will, I'll go out and find cool stuff, whether it be new, maybe it'll be a multiple choice thing because there's different types of collectors. So we'll see what we kind of do. But that's the next idea that we'll do, and it's kind of set up on the website to do the giveaway already. And then we'll do a live session where I, pick out the do a random number generator, and we'll let it hit on the number, and then I have I know all the people that subscribe, or at least I have all the accounts, and they should have their name in there, and be able to get contact with that they want and stuff. So a little bit easier than the YouTube. I think what we're gonna do when we give away is I'll put out a date that we go live to do the giveaway, and then everybody that kind of joins in, I'll have you just I'll write a number down between 1 and 500. I'll put that down on the table, and then everybody's allowed to pick their number that they want to pick, and then I'll open it up, and the closest person to the number is probably going to win. I think that will be the most fair kind of setup for it. I'll try to pick a time and date where most people can try to join. Whether it just be for a couple minutes, maybe we'll try to maintain it down to 5 minutes. That way, if you are doing some other stuff, you're not it's not taking you away too much, and you still have that chance to win. And then once we have the winner, I'll have we'll get in contact, and I'll ship you the car. So I think that will be the most fair way to do it. So we'll continue with that unless I find something better or any other ideas come out. I was thinking about a random number generator for this, but if I can't see all the names of the subscribers, how do I make a list and then assign the numbers to the list and all that kind of stuff? And so I think this will be the better way, right? You guys watch the videos, join the live session. I'll throw that number down. You guys come closest to it, and the closest one to the number will win. So yeah, and we'll have fun with it. And then, like I said, I'll keep that one short, and then we'll just kind of go about it in that route. So that seems like a good idea for me. Just let me know how you guys feel about that, and if that seems fair enough, and we'll make changes if necessary, if we find a better route. So again, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate everybody last night's support. We went 2.5 hours, and I mean, I was getting tired. The medicine was wearing off. Like I said, I haven't been feeling very good, but I was super motivated. I got very into it last night because I was just like talking cars, and I don't get to do that very often, other than to the camera in this case. But there's actually feedback coming back from me on the live video, so it was fun. We'll do it again. I'll figure out the next time we go live, and maybe we'll do it on like a Saturday or Sunday or something. Maybe more people will be able to join, and we'll have more of a conversation with additional people. So yeah, so hit that like button if you haven't liked the video. Hit the subscribe if you haven't subscribed with this. We're going to take this to the next level, and we're going to have fun doing it. So thanks for watching. All right.